This week we have red light violations, illegal U-turns, near misses, hydroplaning, and more. Let's start with some red light violations. Note, the driver turning right does not come to a complete stop. The highlighted car was in the opposing left turn lane. The driver decides to go straight just as I have a turn signal. Thanks a lot. The first driver does not come to a complete stop before turning right, and the second driver almost blows through the intersection on red. Once again, the driver turning right does not come to a complete stop. Couldn't you park completely off the road? Now for back-to-back-to-back U-turns. Same spot, different day. Must be a popular place for U-turns. A traffic jam leads this driver to say, "I'm out of here." A moment that always causes anxiety, a dual turn with a large truck. I'm in the center lane, which could turn either right or left. This means the large truck should have stayed to my inside. Luckily, the car behind me turned left instead of right. "Hey buddy, get your bumper out of my lane." So during this morning commute, I was worried about getting in the proper lane to make a turn and really agonized over it. Do I have enough room? Finally, I saw an opening and I took it. You know who didn't agonize over this situation? This driver. Not only is this driver right on my back bumper, they're angled in such a way that they're actually impeding on the next lane. Nice job. If there's one thing I hate, it's a lane vulture. Hey, but what am I supposed to do? I'm not going to dent up my new sweet ride. And it happened again. It's always fun to hydroplane when the interstates flood. Hey, why is that water brown? I wonder if it's from Atlanta's red clay or sewage overflow. This Corvette changes lanes right before the bullnose. This driver does not.
Turn on your headlights.
And finally, the sign says no stopping or standing. I guess since this driver's doing both, he's okay.